guys can kind of see what's going on. But for the most part, I'll probably do a little bit of time lapse here. And, you know, it's just taking some screws apart, undoing some connectors. I'll bring you in for the one little trick on these that I've just learned over the years. It's not a, you know, super top secret thing or anything, but something that may help you out if you haven't seen it before. But otherwise, we'll get to tearing this thing apart. The only real trick to these things is, I'm trying not to blind you here with the light, but the safety screw right here. Now I used to screw around with trying to drill these out and cut a slot in them and do all that, but really what I found is you can take a decent punch, knock in the side, and start rotating it, and it'll pretty much break free 9 times out of 10. So I'm going to try and do that here, and we'll see if we can bring you in to watch. Yep, there we go. If I can just get it out of there. Whoops. Be in business. Get that screw before I forget it. Alright. Well, you can see I pretty much got it out of there. One more twist here. There we go. And the new one comes with, I had 10mm head on it, and that actually snaps off when you get it to torque. So you can kind of see the head on that thing. You can see where I hit it with the punch and just cracked it loose. And then one more little spot over here, got it the rest of the way. And easy as that. So no sense in trying to get the grinder in there and do all that crazy stuff, drilling it out. Just a few taps with a punch and you're good to go. Alright, if you're doing it the way I'm doing it, you got to be careful not to let your clock spring drop out of there, otherwise you're gonna have a bad day. So I'll grab the new one and we'll get it put in. All right, get that set in place. The only other thing we need is our safety screw there. That started. All right, and then it's just a matter of putting it back together. All right, for those of you that hadn't seen one of these before, this is that safety screw I was talking about. I was gonna run it in here and I'll kind of show you what it does. Try and do it so you can see it here. There it is. Once it gets to its torque, well, wherever it went, it just breaks the head off clean. And then you're not supposed to have any way to get it apart, short of cutting it or doing any of that, but with the trick I showed you, it's fairly simple. So I'm going to get this thing buttoned the rest of the way up, and then we'll come back and try it out. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing works. There we go. All right, fingers crossed. Look at that. No more screwdriver. I can actually use a key like a normal human being. Perfect. All right, just got to finish putting everything back together here, and yeah, we're buttoned up with that project. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it for today. If you like what you saw, like I said, give the video a like and leave me a comment. And for this video, I think that'll do it. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks.